everyone, I'm David. Welcome to my show. Today I want to show you very quickly how to make a healthy organic water kefir drink. Okay, so what you need to make to ferment water kefir grains is all this. First you need this organic sukanat, wholesome brand, and second you need this organic premium quality raw cane sugar by Country Farm. Okay, so for the organic sukanat, when you pour it out, it looks like this. It's a bit brown, right? And then for the raw cane sugar, when you pour it out, it looks like this. It's a bit white. Okay, the main ingredient for the water kefir drink is this water kefir grains, right? Water kefir grains. Right. So what you need to do to start this fermentation process is to first make sure that you need to use glassware. Don't use any plasticware or metalware, or it will be harmful for your health. Okay, so what you do first is water kefir grain. Okay, we use 2 tablespoons. Okay, make sure it's heat. Okay, 1. Heat. Okay, 2. Okay, for every tablespoon of water kefir grains, you need 200 ml of water. So we are using 2 tablespoons, we are using 400 ml, and then we need for every scoop you need 1 tablespoon of sugar. So the ratio is 75% of raw cane sugar and 25% of this organic sukanat. Okay, so for this raw cane sugar, make sure it's flat. Okay, flat. 1 and half is like that. And then for the organic sukanat, half spoon. Okay, so next is water, 200 ml, and another 200. If you're using a measuring cup like this, make sure you put it flat, and then it's easier for you to pour the water and look at the level. Today, no, a little bit more heavy. This one. Full. Okay, let me see. Okay, 200. Okay, once it's in already, what you need to do is you just take your spoon, you stir it. Okay, stir. Don't need to stir it until it's very. Don't need to stir it so much, just stir. After you're done with it, take the cap and close it. Make sure you don't close it tight, just close it let it have some room to breathe. Okay, like that. Okay, so once you're done with the process already, you leave it in room temperature to ferment between 24 to 36 hours. So I'll just leave it here. Make sure you don't leave it under direct sunlight, okay? The grains will die. Okay, so after this is done already, okay, this is the sample. After you have fermented between 24 to 36 hours, it will look something like this. So what you need to do is your pink strainer, mine, USD 100. Okay, so very easy, just pour it out. Like that. Okay. See. After you have strained out the drink and you drink, so with the grains you restart the whole process again. Make sure that your glassware is all clean up already, and then make sure all your sugar is there. Okay, if you need any of these products, organic sukanat, we do sell it in our store. You can check it out at the description box below. For this raw cane sugar, you can actually get it anywhere like Tesco or Aeon or Giant. You can get this. I think it's quite cheap, maybe 8 ringgit ringgit or 9 ringgit. Not too. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.